Alright, it's me again. I enjoyed myself too much, so it's... damn it, I got all those wood shavings in my shirt here. So that piece of alder wood that I just showed you, that long triangular piece that I originally made this guy out of, this is it. And it's a triangular piece. As you can see, I'm chipping away at it. And it's such, I mean, it's amazing stuff. This is really beautiful stuff. I'm glad I didn't burn it. So yeah, I was just going to show you what I'm doing. This is obviously not long enough, so I'm going to move it around. But I'm gonna bring it down so it's at least a cylinder, and then I could set it aside for future projects. It'll be easier to work on. So don't wear overalls and tuck your shirt underneath your overalls, because this thing's just gonna fill it up. I mean, it's just filling up my my sweater here, but not a big deal. Nothing that a quick shower and a vacuum can't take care of. So yeah, that's going on my leg. So here we go. I'll just set you up again on my tripod and show you how this thing is working. Get back a little bit. There we go. Sorry, it's jumpy. I don't have my photographer friend here anymore. I moved to Reno, Nevada, the biggest little city in the world, or the city that never sleeps, or some shit like that. Oops. So yeah, here we go. I'm gonna trim this thing down so at least it's cylindrical, and then in the future I can just start off from where I'm at. This thing is awesome for $100. What I'm doing, obviously, I'm just trying to get all the bark and any flat edges that are left on the cylinder. I want to get that off. And then, like right here and right here. And a little bit up here. So, that way it'll be ready for future anything. Wow, that is so cool. Something that was going to get burned away in a fire is now going to be a piece of, I don't know what it is going to be, I'll be honest, but it's going to be beautiful. This stuff is so nice. It's beautiful stuff. I'm glad I didn't burn it. This is what ended up with the last one. A round off the head, like I said. and I'll split it, or better yet, I'll just cut maybe halfway through it, and then put my through wire in here, and then I'll paint it, and I'll turn it into like a little bobber or some type of a fishing lure. Make it look really nice. I might actually shorten it up a little bit. I'll give it a round nose, or I might give it a shovel nose, like a slanted flat nose. Cut it with a razor saw. But that's pretty cool for a first timer. Basically trying out what the tools do and what they do, like what profiles they leave. And see, this one leaves little V cuts in there, and that's this sharp V'd one, obviously. It's this guy right here. So it's just so cool. I'm having a great time. You can't say that, can't say that with many tools that you buy for $100. But I gotta say, this is really a fun tool to work with. 3,200 RPMs is the highest speed on this, which I gotta say is pretty good. Yeah, it looks fantastic. And I got a little sandy block here. I'll run it over. It's fine grit. I think it's 300 something. Just smooth it out. Get any rough edges out of it. That is so nice. Yeah, I'm very happy with this. I gotta say, that's $100. Can't beat it. Chuck. Go. Look at that. It's a little rough, but that's no biggie. Actually looks kind of cool with the swirls in it. But that's something you can hone down and refine when you finally figure out what the heck you want to do with it. That's some good stuff. You can beat the heck out. You know what? I might turn this. Well, I don't like killing anything. So if I go fishing, 9 times out of 10, I let whatever I catch go. But of course, if you catch a nice trout and you're by the stream, it's nothing like filleting them up and putting them on the fire. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted for future projects. From firewood to this is nice stuff. I can't complain. $100. That's awesome. So $129 is what the price was with no coupons. If you get a 20% or 25% off coupon, you can buy the tools and it'll come out to about the same. About 20, about 25, somewhere around there. So I'll clean this mess up and go inside and warm my ass up a little bit because it's getting frosty. At least my toes are cold because I got this really funky, cool snow outfit on. It's keeping my legs and my upper body warm, so I can't complain. Very cool, huh? You guys are thinking of taking on a new project or a new hobby, a lathe, you can't go wrong for $100 at Harbor Freight. One of the few things that I'll give credit for that I buy from there. Normally I buy stuff and after I use it I throw it away, like bits and stuff like that for a job. If it's a specialty piece, But I gotta say, this is really, really cool. Any questions or comments, leave them below. I'll definitely be making future projects out of this thing, because this stuff is awesome. This is some serious hardwood too. I mean, you can't even put a dent in it if you wanted to. So this is perfect fishing lure material, not to mention other stuff. They got the bigger ones as well, so if you want to make something a little bit bigger, longer than a foot, this is 8 by 12, and the 8 is signifying the diameter from the center of this. Well, it'll be 4 inches till it hits this, and then another 4 inches up top. So depending on how wide the project is and how long the project is, buy your lathe accordingly. That's cool stuff, guys. Any questions or comments, leave them below. My name is Levon. Thanks again.